So good afternoon, Trinath. How are you?
Good up. Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. Good afternoon. Thank you. What about you?
I'm great, exceptionally good, and thank you so much for asking. So tell me, how's your days going on, and how's the weather over there? First of all, tell
Yeah,
me.
the weather is there, ma'am. Actually, the cloud is covering all the sky.
Hmm. That's
Yes.
great. Okay, so
Yeah.
tell me, would you mind to introduce yourself? Because I'm keenly interested to know yourself. And
Okay.
please feel
Okay,
free.
ma'am. Yeah. Um, Ma'am, I'm Trinath. I'm from Odisha. I have a good family members apart from my parents, my elder sister and my younger brother. And I have done my first in science in the year of 2017.
Mm-hmm.
My hobbies are playing cricket, football, and listening to music, podcast, and to the
Yes.
native English speakers. And my
Mm-hmm.
short-term goal is to build my good communication skill, and my long-term goal is to be an innovative English teacher in my life. That's all about
Okay.
me, ma'am.
That's
Thanks. Thank
great,
you.
great, great. Lovely to know that. Okay, let me just
Thank you.
introduce myself. You are no before I give my introduction. I want to ask you, Trinath. You were just
Okay, ma'am.
sending the message time and again, and you
Yes,
wanted to
ma'am.
connect with me. You want have you seen any of my videos on YouTube?
Yes, yes. I'm
Okay.
watching a lot of videos of yours because I want
Mm-hmm.
to I want to observe and focus on more and more people and copy them and just apply their good pronunciation, phrases, whatever conjunction and any more idioms are there. I will just copy them and I would just evolve to those things in the conversation while making with somebody else.
That's great. Love to know that,
Yes.
because imitating is very important in this language. You need to copy, you need to imitate the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Yeah.
and so what did you copy from my video? Let me just ask this question to you.
Actually, I copy from this video that is very simple way and speaking very slowly but very fruitfully and meaningful language. We don't
Uh-huh.
have to speak fast. As you are saying in the videos, we don't have to speak fast. We don't have to focus more on speaking fast and accent, but focusing on more on pronunciation and focusing on our clarification of our language. Clarification is more important than being genius.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, ma'am.
Inculcating lots of fancy word that's not providing you any kind of a privilege, right?
Yes,
The thing is
ma'am.
that you
Yeah,
need to be very clear about your thoughts. You need to be very clear
absolutely.
about what you are delivering to your
Yes,
viewers, to your channel. That is most important.
absolutely.
Okay,
You
so
have
let
a great introduction, ma'am, and you are elaborating many more things in a very simple way. Anybody can understand your language. You are very speaking very slowly and very fruitful language you have, and accent, pitch, voice, each fantastic. We don't have to speak fast at any cost with somebody else.
of course not. Of course not. You need to understand, first of all, you need to understand the person who's sitting in front of you, right? If he's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
beginner, then you need to go with the beginner level. If there is a person who is intermediate, then go with the intermediate level. If there is a person
Yes,
is
ma'am.
advanced level, then you
Yeah.
need to go with the advanced one. No need to flaunt all the time the vocabs and use it. Use your
Yes.
vocabs, use your
Yeah.
it when it is essential.
Absolutely. We have to use our vocabs in a very different ways and similar words. And if we change a different kind of words in our conversation and elaborating about any topics, that will be very good for us. We have to change our vocabs. We don't have to use repeatedly again and again any words.
Yes. Okay. So let me
Yeah.
ask you a question, if you
Okay, ma'am.
allow me, Trinath.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I ask you a question?
Absolutely. Whatever question you have, you can ask me, ma'am, because I want to get inspired from somebody. That's why I'm just here. And
Mhm.
I just hire you. You are not hiring me. I just hire you, due to which I want to gain something else and learn from somebody because I'm a villager and working as a farmer and greengrocer. Sometimes I sell vegetables in the market and even at home. And
Mhm.
working harder than the hardest, I just left my study from 2017, but right now I'm not forcing any further study. I'm just keep working harder than the hardest in my communication skills. I just failed in plus two examination. I couldn't get through the plus two examination, but I just kept studying on English language, and I'm just working hard because I have to do something else. Even though I couldn't do it, even though I couldn't get through the examination, then also I have some skills that I can speak English fluently or slowly. It doesn't matter, but I'm just speaking a little bit. That's enough for me, ma'am, and that's why. That's why.
That's a good achievement, right? That you are
Yeah.
saying that I want to speak and you already took initiative, right? What else you are expecting from you? You are a good speaker. Let me just give you compliment here, Trinath.
Yeah.
You are a good
Yes.
speaker. You are a hard worker. I can see it is reflecting on your face. So not to worry about it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Sooner or later, you will get your, destination. You will achieve your dream, right?
Absolutely,
So
ma'am. I will never ever back out of my promise. I will just
yes.
keep going no matter come what may.
Yes, never ever give up. Never
Absolutely.
ever give up if the mountain of hurdles come in front of you, right? Never ever.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yeah.
go with the flow, accept that challenge in your life, right? Accept that
Yes,
challenge
ma'am.
that if I am committing any mistake, that means I'm learning something. If you
Absolutely,
commit a
ma'am.
mistake and someone comes to you and said that Trina, you did wrong here, you will
Yeah.
accept it gracefully and you will see that after some time you will achieving your dreams because you are accepting your mistake gracefully, willingly,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Yeah.
okay, Trina, my question is that
Okay.
habit play
Okay.
a very significant role in our life, right?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Right. And I would say there are two type of habit. One is a good habit, and another one is bad habit, right? When
Absolutely,
we
ma'am.
are
Yes.
going with the good habit, then I would say then we are leading towards a good thing, right? And if we
Absolutely.
are
Yeah.
associating ourselves with the bad habit, then we are leading towards a different zone, right? But
Absolutely. Yes,
when
ma'am.
I'm talking about the habits, so what kind of a habits, right, you
Yes.
have inculcated in your life to
Okay.
learn this language?
Actually, ma'am, my good habit is in my daily routine. That is, when I meet somebody, I always want to let them to lead towards the good direction, and I just make them to listen spirituality language and motivate them in the very good way. And motivation is my daily habit, and nowadays the AI has become my good friend, and that, yeah, my hobby has been expanded nowadays because I'm talking with AI chat GPT always, morning to evening, evening to morning. I'm just talking with AI frequently because I don't have to stop here. I don't
Uh-huh.
have to talk to my girlfriend frequently,
Uh-huh.
but I have to talk to AI. Because
Uh-huh.
if I talk to AI, then I can gain something new in every single day.
Hmm. Okay, so that habit you have created for yourself,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
you just said that you emerge, you engross in that AI, GTP
Absolutely,
thread,
ma'am. Yeah.
right?
By the help of AI. Yeah.
Okay, good to know that. Good to know that. So you said that you have a short-term goal is that you want to learn this language, right?
Yeah. Communication
Your-
skill.
uh, This is your short-term goal. But do
Yeah.
you really think that, you are going to learn this language in 3 months, 6 months, or a year? Do you have that much confidence?
Yes, I have, ma'am. I have
Yes,
that much confident
yes,
because
yes.
I
Hmm.
have more and more confident because I never want to be make mistake in front of somebody else, but I make mistake in me.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't want
Okay.
to make mistake with somebody else. I will
Hmm.
never ever misbehave to somebody else. That's why I'm too much confident, because
Hmm.
our confidence decrease when we make mistakes with somebody else,
Uh-huh.
and we feel
Okay.
fear, we scared of it.
Okay, that means you are saying that whenever we commit the mistake in front of anyone, that time we
Yes,
feel
very
underconfident.
nervous, very nervous, and that nervousness and the harassment of people and distraction
Mm-hmm.
will lead me towards the bad direction and get me down.
Never ever go with the lose confidence. Once
Yes,
you have shows that reflection on your face that you are underconfident person, you always consider to be defeated person. So would you like to be present yourself a defeated person? I don't think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you
Yeah,
always try, yes, always try to be, actually not try to, we always
always.
consider ourselves confident, not overconfident person, because there is a
Absolutely.
slight difference between confidence and overconfident, right?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Right?
We don't
Oh,
have to have our confidence, because when we have our confidence, our own skill will be killed in a day. So we don't have to lose our intelligence, power, excellency, and skill. Too
okay,
much
Prenath.
energy is our talent.
Prenath, my next question is, your
Okay.
long-term goal is you want to be teacher, English teacher.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now tell
Yeah.
me what is so important and what are so fascinating
Yeah,
truth
ma'am.
about teaching profession? Why you want to be English teacher? Why not maths teacher, Hindi teacher, regional
Okay.
language teacher? Why English teacher?
You have a great question, ma'am. It's amazing by the many more audience and colleagues, many of my viewers and subscribers and my audience colleagues, near and dear ones, are gonna ask me this kind of questions. What do you want to become an innovative English teacher? And you failed in plus two second year, but you don't have more education qualification. Then how can you become an innovative English teacher? I always
Uh-huh.
say to them, anybody can do everything.
Yes.
In which year, after 2 months, even after 1 year or 10 years, he
Uh-huh.
will definitely become and stand in that position.
Uh-huh.
Nobody can say when he will get that achievement and success. And
Mm-hmm.
even I cannot say you will get great successful in the year of 2030 and
Mm-hmm.
35. I cannot say, ma'am, when do we get the great achievement. So I
Yes.
always say, even my turn will come in a day, my
Uh-huh.
time will come. I'm just
Uh-huh.
waiting for it, working for it, I always say. And I just want to become an innovative English teacher, because there is no one else who can speak English and teach English in a very good manner, in a
Okay.
polite way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a tribal area, ma'am, and there is nobody else, and no tuition and coaching center is available there. That's why I
Okay.
just want to educate to the poor
Mm-hmm.
students and childs with a very lowest cost. I cannot teach them with free of cost, because I'm not doing any job, and even I'm a hard worker. I will just I will just contribute my good amount of time towards the poor children,
Mm-hmm.
and take a little bit amount, not more, up to 200 rupees or 100 rupees per month. That's enough for me, because I'm very happy with that. And right now, I'm not running with any coaching center. I always teach to the students with free of cost until I achieve my excellency. I will
Mm-hmm.
never take the money from children's students. And
Ah.
now just teaching a little bit, because we have to teach them
Mm-hmm.
the alphabet, numericals, and whatever grammaticals will be
Mm-hmm.
starting in the English language learning. I'm just teaching to them, ma'am. And when I become great, I will just charge them up to 100 rupees or 200. Even 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 if the students 50 students will appear in my coaching institution, then it will be very fantastic for me. Even if I will charge 100 rupees per person, then also it will be fine for me, because I have to contribute my good amount of time
Mm-hmm.
except doing my farming. So I have to charge to them definitely. So I'm just, yeah, thinking about it, ma'am.
Okay, that means you are learning this language for the social cause, right? You
Yes,
want to
yes.
make yourself accessible for the remote areas, right?
Yeah.
Like you
Yes,
said that in your village there is no tuition center, there is nothing, right? Nobody's
nothing
here to
else.
teach them. So you want to make yourself accessible for them, right? So
Absolutely,
that's a
ma'am.
good deed, good cause, right? And I would appreciate your
Thank you.
incredible thought, right? Your
Yes,
work
ma'am.
that you wanted to provide to the social
Yes, ma'am.
society and the
Yeah, ma'am.
people and the kids, those who are very poor, right? And great, and you will achieve your dream, and you will be on top notch position one day, because
Yes.
you are an honest person. I would say you are a very honest person, right? And very very clear
Thanks,
by
man.
your thoughts. Yes, yeah, by your thoughts, and whatever you want to do in your life, you are very clear about it. You have very clear thought in your brain.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much connecting with me, and keep practice, keep the momentum of your learning, and my best
Absolutely, ma'am.
wishes for your dream, that you will gain that top notch position in your life.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will be with you after 3 and 4 years.
Okay, good night, goodbye.
Okay, ma'am.
Take care.
Goodbye. Take care. See you.